Good evening and welcome to Such the Reality. I'm Nana Sareen and you're watching the Reality Rundown. In today's bulletin, we bring you the latest updates from across the nation, state and region. Have a look. Amid escalating violence over job quotas in Bangladesh, 78 students from Assam were safely evacuated via Meghalaya's Dauki integrated checkpost. The situation, marked by intense protest, prompted a swift and secure evacuation through the Meghalaya-Bangladesh border to ensure the students' safety. DGP GP Singh revealed that Lal Bikung Hamar, one of 3 terrorists killed in a firefight in Kachar district, Assam, had a prior history of terrorism. Hamar, arrested on June 4, 2019 and PS Lakhipur, was found with arms and ammunition as detailed in the FIR and supporting photographs. From July 16 to 28, the Zoology Department of Cotton University and the Assam State Museum hosted a capacity building workshop on museum collection care and management. The event, which engaged 20 participants, featured hands-on activities, expert sessions, and exploration of the museum's extensive zoological collections, focusing on collection management, documentation, and conservation. Despite ongoing retrofitting and maintenance work, the Umiam Bridge faced severe waterlogging following heavy rainfall on July 19th. Media reports indicated many vehicles encountered difficulties as they attempted to navigate through the flooded route. The Department of Tourism and Civil Aviation in Sikkim has implemented a new rule requiring all tourist vehicles entering the state to carry large garbage bags. This initiative aims to promote environmental sustainability and ensure community participation. Tour operators, travel agencies and vehicle drivers are tasked with educating tourists on proper waste collection and disposal practices using these bags. Jonathan M. Sangma from Tura West Garo Hills district has achieved admission to the Indian Institute of Technology, Bombay, scoring 99.0% in the JEE 2024. A resident of Forestilla, Sangma will pursue aerospace studies at the esteemed institute. In Mumbai's Grand Road area, the collapse of a balcony at Rubina Manzil resulted in 1 fatality and 13 injuries. Emergency services are at the scene, providing assistance and investigating the incident. Minister Poonam Prabhakar, AICC in charge, Deepadas Munshi and U.S. Consulate General Jennifer A. Larson visited the Sri Ujjayini Mahakali Temple in Secunderabad to offer puja. Their visit highlights a blend of political and diplomatic engagement with local cultural practices. Heavy rainfall has caused widespread flooding, disrupting traffic and leading to water entering homes. The severe weather has forced the closure of schools and colleges as many people face significant challenges due to the ongoing conditions. PDP leader and former Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister Mehbooba Mufti has accused the BJP government of undermining the constitution. She echoed Rahul Gandhi's warning, claiming that if the BJP were to secure 450 seats, they would dismantle constitutional safeguards, asserting that the party has yet to learn from past mistakes. Thank you. For more updates, keep watching Such the Reality.